Well, hello, it's Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. We're going to talk about if you want to have a breakthrough in your health, how about 5 advantages of drinking water in the morning? 5 advantages of drinking water in the morning. By the way, if you ignore your health, it will go away and take your money and potentially your honey with it. Oh, did you hear that? I said, if you ignore your health, it will go away and take your money and potentially your honey with it. You know, the number one reason for bankruptcy in the USA today is because of health bills. Okay, bills incurred because of bad health. And so let me give you 5 advantages of drinking water in the morning. The fifth one, go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is drinking water on an empty stomach purifies the colon, making it easier to absorb nutrients. And so again, my friend, in the morning, the first thing, matter of fact, you ask my wife, my ABCD, that stands for Adorable Brown Caramel Delight. As soon as I get up in the morning, right on the nightstand, my friend, is a tall glass of water, 32 ounces. I drink that. And my friend, I'm telling you, it makes a difference, especially first thing in the morning. The fourth advantage of drinking water in the morning is it increases the production of new blood and muscle cells. And so again, you want to get it first thing in the morning. Obviously, you want to be drinking water throughout the day, but these are advantages of drinking water the first thing in the morning. The third advantage is that it helps with weight loss. Anybody could use that. Also, drinking at least 16 to 32 ounces of water can boost your metabolism by 24% in the morning. So, of course, you want to get that metabolism roaring and ready to go, my friend, so it can start doing the work and helping the body to work more efficiently. The second advantage of drinking water in the morning is glowing skin. You see, water helps to purge toxins from the blood, which helps keeps your skin glowing and clear. And how many women and men today are interested in their skin being more clear? And so, my friend, a simple thing you can do is drink water the first thing in the morning. And then, again, the 5 advantages. The number one is it balances your lymph system. These glands help you perform your daily functions, and it balances your body's fluids, and it helps to fight infection. In other words, it's going to boost the immune system, my friend. So again, if you understand the power of the immune system, if you understand the power of fighting off infections, your body was designed by God to do so, but it has to have the nutrients, it has to have the materials, it has to have the tools. And water is a great tool. You know, your body is about 75% water and your brain's about 80 to 85% water. One of the things I notice, I talk about my book, Your Breakthrough is Guaranteed, 7 Simple Steps to Success, which you should have, by the way. But listen, people that are depressed, oftentimes when they call me, I'll say, go drink 3 glasses of water consecutively. Call me back in about 10 minutes. And it's amazing, about 90% of the time, they say, it's magic. Like I feel so much better. Well, here's what happens. If you're going to dehydrate, the first thing that happens, since the brain, get this now, is 80 to 85% water, then the neurotransmitters don't work properly. They clang together and drop you into a state of depression. And all you have to do is give the body what the body needs, and the body will do what God designed it to do. So, my friend, I'm telling you that this is one simple tip that has made a big difference in my health. So, and again, you don't want to just drink tap water. You want to make sure your water is purified. Matter of fact, I use something called hydration drops. If you go to www.breakthroughdrops.com, breakthroughdrops.com, this is something you just add 6 to 12 drops to a gallon of either distilled or purified water, and it literally turbocharges your water. And one little bottle, by the way, will treat 198 gallons. So Nadia and I love it, and you will as well. And so again, my friend, think about this. As you sleep throughout the night, every time you inhale, you exhale. When you exhale, there's fluid leaving your body. So usually in the morning, you're extra dehydrated. So again, in the morning, especially, get the water, and my friend, you'll get your breakthrough. Hey, it's breakthrough time. www.breakthroughdrops.com.